Today we are here to talk about things to expect during 2026 tax filing and the things to know and to get ready with. I'm starting with personal taxes, what to expect and what to bring, some of the documents to bring or IDs to bring to your tax preparer so that you can get yourself ready and not to come empty-handed. Some people come and they are not ready. They have to go back and come again and to finish the taxes. So this video is to engage you, to prepare you, to let you know what to expect when you are ready to file your taxes. So personal tax filing, what you need is your ID, either state ID or your driver license, your social security card, not the social security number. We need the social security card because of the name on it. At times, some people have a different name on their social security card than what they have on the state ID. But what the IRS consider or is in the system is the name on the social security card. So the best thing is to get your social security card and your driver license or state ID. That is the first form of ID card. All that you need is your social security card, your driver license, your W-2. Maybe you work with 3 or 4 companies in the year 2025. You should get your W-2 or your 1099 by 15th of January. So make sure that you contact all the companies or the employers that you have worked with in the year 2025 and make sure that the name on the W-2 or the 1099 is correct, your address is correct. That will make your tax filing easy for you and the tax preparer. If you rent an apartment, make sure that you get your certificate of rent pay, that is CRP, from your apartment managers. Make sure the amount that you paid. So for instance, if you pay monthly rent is 1,000, the whole year is 12,000. Make sure that 12,000 is on the CRP forms and your name is spelled correctly on that form. That will make your tax filing easy and your tax preparer will be happy with you. For instance, if you're also a student and you are filing single, make sure you have your student tuition statement from your school, or you can log into your student portal, go to forms, and under forms, you see your tuition statement. It's called 1098T. Make sure that that form also is ready for you to bring it to the tax preparer. And once again, if you are a single filer and you have a house, you need 2 statements from the house, One from the county is called tax statement for the year 2026. Tax statement from the year 2026. And you need your mortgage statement, 1098 from your bank where you pay your mortgage. They also will send you a statement to file these taxes. If you are online or stock trader, you need that forms also from your stock trading. It's called stock trading statement or stock trading forms. It will give you all the tradings that you have engaged in the year 2025, whether you make a profit or you make a loss. All these forms are ready for you to file taxes. For instance, if you deal with dividend and you receive a dividend from your company, you need the dividend forms. It's called 1099 DIV. You need these forms also to file taxes. Those who have a lot of savings in banks normally send statement on interest, the interest that you have acquired on your savings. That form is also 1099 INT. You need to get that forms ready to bring it and come and file your taxes. So this is for single. For instance, if you are a head of household is someone who have a dependent living with him or her. So if you are head of household, make sure you come with your 2 IDs, your social security card, your driver license, your W-2s, your 1099, and your dependent. We need their social security card. I said this earlier, to make sure that the names in the tax system is what is on the social security card. Then we also need the birth certificate to make sure the date of birth is correct. At times we encounter a lot of mistakes. Some people will write the date of birth or the social security number on paper, and typo mistakes it end up rejecting the e-filing when we are submitting the taxes. So to avoid all these things, make sure that by the 15th of January, your documents are ready. If your employer has not sent you either your 1099 or your W-2, contact them to send it to you. By law, everybody should get it by by 31st of January. And getting all the documents together, your tax filing become easy for you and for the tax preparer. And those also who are married couples, at times married couples, because of tax returns, we want to get more money. They will come in disguise that I'm filing separately, my husband or wife is also filing separately. Now, the law is you can file marriage filing separate, but some people are smart in a way that they have 4 cases. The wife will take 2 cases and say, okay, I'm filing head of household. The husband will say, I'm also filing head of household, using the same address. That is an error. And you'll be caught and your tax will be audited, and they will ask you to go and amend it, and you end up paying back to IRS. So married couples, what you can do best is to file, if you want to file separate, is to file marriage filing separate, but not with head of household, and your husband or wife also with head of household. So these are some of the mistakes that we don't understand, or most people today know, but intentionally they want to get more money, they will do that, and later it becomes a problem for them. And lastly, if you are one of your dependent is in school and at the age of 18 to 24, since he or she is in school, you can still claim her or him as a dependent. Some students also work at the end of the year. They can file on their own, and the parents can also claim them, provided their income is not more than $4,500 for the whole year. So for instance, you have a boy who is 18 or 17 years, and he works at Walmart or any shop during the summer. His income is $3,800. For students, whatever return they get is the taxes they paid on their income. So for instance, if they pay federal tax $100 and state tax $50, their refund will be state $50 and federal $100. That is what they give it to them. So knowing this will help you as a tax filer to prepare and make sure that you are bringing the right document to the tax filer or tax preparer, so that it will avoid mistakes. You have your peace of mind, and your tax preparer will also have the peace of mind. At times, tax preparers, we engage in a lot of, because of the time frame to file taxes, you have 1,000 customers. You don't have the time to go through all the, though it is our duty, but as humans, we make mistakes. We overlook certain things because of the pressure, and we want to also get it done on time. But this video will help you to make yourself prepared, know what is ahead of you, so that it will help you to bring the right document to the tax preparer. One thing I want us to discuss is the income bracket. This year, income bracket has changed, the rate on income bracket. Last year, if you are a single person and you earn $11,925, your federal rate was 10%, meaning out of the $11,925 that you made, your federal tax you are supposed to pay is $1,192.5, which is expected from you to pay. And if you don't pay, you end up owing IRS. But if you pay more than what you're supposed to pay, that is what you get a refund back, meaning you have paid more than necessary or more than what you were expected to pay. And that is something that most people don't know. At times they say, oh, I have to get a refund by all costs. No, that is a big mistake. Know your tax income bracket and know what is expected of you to pay. For instance, if you are a single person and your income is around $50,000, your tax rate is 22%. So you are home, take your calculator and just calculate the 22% on $50,000. You see how much you are supposed to pay. It's more than $10,000. But when you pay less than $10,000 on your federal taxes, what means that you underpay your tax obligation. So you are supposed to pay back But there are some deductions that maybe you will get if you're a student or you have apartment. All those things help you to even get or close the gap or get something a little back. But if you understand your tax income bracket, you work according to it. Okay, this is my income for the whole year, and this is what is expected of me to pay as taxes. So you make sure that if you are claiming zero and the zero is not enough, you do extra withholding to make sure that at least you come closer to what you expected to pay by the end of the year, or you pay more than that and get a refund. If you have a dependent, praise the Lord, this year, the child credit amount has increased from 1,750 to 2,200. So our president has increased the child credit form. So for instance, if you have 3 kids, praise God, you have 6,600 waiting for you as a tax filer. But you will get that money if only you are not owing. But if you don't pay taxes, you won't get that money. But if you are paying taxes and you have other deductibles, it will help you to get back more. So these are some of the things that you have to be aware as a tax filer. Get all your documents right. If you work 2-3 jobs in the year, contact your employers by the 15th of January. Prompt them that, hey, I haven't received my W-2 or 1099, and they will let you get it. I think the tax 2026 taxes start on the last Thursday of January. I think it's 28th or 29th of this year, or next year, sorry. So get your things ready. This is individual tax filing. We will come back with business tax filing. God bless you. Bye.